So let's start with the great unboxing. The packaging comes well printed and your items are well packed. Straight away you'll come across this handy wiring diagram. The Navicam CL876 feels really good quality, well made and rugged in the hand, boasting this great 6.8 inch touchscreen. It comes with a 32GB micro SD card already installed. The power cable comes with a generous amount of lead, so it should fit any motorcycle. Digging deeper inside the box, you'll find this nice remote with two big buttons A and B that comes with all the fixtures and fittings that you need to install it right next to your grip, so it'll be within easy reach to be able to operate your smart screen. The front and rear tyre monitors feel nice and rugged in the hand. It comes with the spanner and nuts to make sure you can tighten it up so there's no way anybody can steal them. They also come with two spare batteries, so you're always good to go. The handlebar mount feels really heavy duty because it's made from a good solid metal and it's fully adjustable with this ball and pin like system. All the tools are provided, including all of the bolts, two Allen keys and a star key for full adjustment of your mounting system. The two dash cams provided feel good quality. They'll record up to 1080p of high definition footage. For the rear camera you get a nice cable extension that should reach the length of any bike. And that's everything inside the box, so let's move on to installation. The first thing you need to do is locate your battery. Remove the seat or any plastics for easy installation. Take your handlebar mount and mount it to the back of the CL876 with the two thumb screws provided. Loosen the two bolts on the handlebar mount. Decide where you'd like it to go with on the handlebars and then simply tighten up with the Allen key provided. Then simply position into the perfect place on your handlebars and then use the star key provided to tighten it, and it'll be locked and secure in place. Moving on to installation, you've got a red for positive, black for negative and yellow for ignition feed. I like to use a Thunderbox system that only works when the engine is running at the correct voltage, so I remove the spade terminals that are already on the wires and simply put the ignition feed and positive feed into the plus terminal of the Thunderbox and then the negative into the ground, and then as soon as I fire up my bike it will put power to the device. Really easy, but if not, simply connect your plus to your battery, your negative to your battery, and then find an ignition feed that I'd always recommend using a piggyback fuse from your fuse box. Now take the rest of the cable, hide it down the length of your bike, making sure it's not touching any engine parts, feed it up to your CL876 and simply plug it straight into the device. Next, it's time to install your dash cameras. Take the 3M pad, remove the protective layer and simply stick it onto the bottom of the camera. Decide which location you'd like to stick the camera to. Make sure the surface is nice and clean, and with one firm push your camera will be nice and secure in place. Take your cable extension, connect it with a simple twist to keep it nice and secure and locked into place, and then run it the length of your bike back up to your CL876. Everything is marked for rear and front camera. Plug it into the correct socket and again twist to make sure that the cable is nice and secure. Simply repeat the same process to install the front camera. To install the wired remote, take the U-shaped metal bracket, unpeel the 3M sticky pad and stick it onto the U-shaped bracket. Next, take the 3 bolts and Allen key. Use 2 of the bolts in the L-shaped bracket that will go onto the back of the remote. Simply pop it in and tighten them nice and secure. Take the last bolt and pop it into the U-shaped bracket and then attach that to the L-shaped bracket. Then this slides between your grips and your handlebar controls and sticks into place. Then run the wires and plug it into your CL876. With the wiring complete, make sure that you tidy up all of the wires, making sure they're nice and secure, and replace the seat and any plastics you've taken off the bike. Remove the protective cover on the screen, start your engine and take your tyre pressure monitors. Remove your old dust caps from your front and your rear wheel, then simply pop on the tyre pressure monitors, tighten like you would your normal dust caps, and you can use the tool provided to make sure that they're even more secure. Then on the screen your tyre pressures will appear. You can change this from bar to PSI as you wish. To set up Apple CarPlay, simply use your phone, go to settings, type in CarPlay, select. Once it comes up at the bottom of the screen, the device will appear. Select that and then accept any notifications, and within a few seconds CarPlay will appear on your CL876. And that is installation and setup complete, so let's move on to the real world test.